How you doing?
Hey everybody, hey Smitty. This is gonna be my first video. I wanted to make it good, so my brother's gonna solve this thingy right here, the Rubik's cube. Just let me shuffle it up for a second. You can watch him dilly dally. Yeah, I just said dilly dally.
Can you see yourself mixing up on the camera? No.
Shut up.
No, shut up. I hate you.
Yeah. Oh crap, it slid. Alright, you can clearly see it's mixed up.
It's not. Liar.
You're funny. Alright, Kevin, catch. Alright.
Are you seriously gonna stand there and watch me?
Yes, I'm gonna stand there and watch you as you solve the magical cube of Rubik.
Well, what am I trying to do? I forget.
Really?
No. I'm good now.
Should we turn off the computer? Because that's distracting you, I think.
Yeah, well, I'm just singing a song, singing.
I could really use a wish right. That's a very hit song. Big hit
yeah,
song.
Yeah.
It's a secret. He's half black.
What?
I said it's a secret. You're half black.
I didn't know it. Tan.
You're tan. True. Hey, if you want to talk to somebody, talk to Taylor Lautner.
I will get it done before the song ends.
Do it. I will zoom in on the cube when you are done.
Well, I'm almost done.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm done.
Twist it. Ah. See? It's magical. Magical. Alright.
Do that every day.
Peace, everybody.